Hello, tattoo enthusiasts. Are you looking for a good thermal printer, but you don't want to spend too much? This one comes under $200. Comes from Yilong. It's called the ATS886, and of course, it's available on Amazon. Don't forget, if you want to find anything, use our links in the description to support our channel. All right, let's check it out. Let's see if this thing works. All right, here it is, the ATS886. Let's open it up. There is our USB-C. Looks like they give you a nice bag to come with the printer for portability. And as you can see, this is a very slim printer. So if space is an issue for you in your studio, you might like this printer because it's a little more slim. I also have trouble finding printers that are smaller and more compact that work well in a lower price range, under $200 for sure. So let's see how it works. All right, here's the machine. As you can see, it's nice and slim. It really is compact. I'm seeing like that it is true to the size in the picture, so I'm happy with that. The opening mechanism is on the side, it looks like. All right, and we're just gonna plug this in. So I am curious to know if it came with a charge, but when we plug it in, you can see this red light went on and now it's charging. Let's just see if it's already charged. I'm gonna turn the switch on. It's on this right side. Yep. Looks like it came with some charge in it, so that's great. And there is the status light on, so that probably means it's ready to go. All right, so we should probably connect the 886 to either an iPad, iPhone, or computer. In this case, I'm gonna connect to my iPad. All right, let's take a look at my iPad. We want to first go to the store and get the app that we need. ATS886. Let's see if we can find it. All right, so here is the app for the company. It's ATS886. I'm gonna get that loaded onto the iPad. Now we're in and we're going to hit search device. It says now they'd like to access camera. We're gonna say okay to that too. Here it is, connect up here. Now it says connect to this device, it sees it. All right, so I think we're connected. Let's try printing something. I've gone back to the menu and I'm gonna allow it to access the photos. So you just go back to menu from there and you go to pictures, photos, if you wanna upload something. There we go. There's my pictures. Okay, I'm gonna pick this one. And here we are. So looks like it has put the picture into the program. Let's see if we can change. Oh, it looks like it is zoomed out. This is picture edit. Looks like you can change you can cut it down, change the cropping, you can rotate, layout. What's layout? Just up to move it, looks like. Move it somewhere else there. And if you want to segment it, interesting. Okay. So all cool features, of course, mirror image we want to, especially for a piece like this if we're doing words, but in the interest of this video, we'll just keep it this direction. All right, so there we go. And then there are some other options here at the bottom for density. effect and mode. So there are 3 different things you can do here. It's like density is probably just going to change the amount of thermal print that's going to come off from the paper. So if it's too light, you probably want to increase density, things like that. Effect, real size versus self-adaptation. Not sure what that changes it. Maybe if you crop it in here, you can go back and forth. And literally this is as blah, 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 blah. So I don't know what that means. Mode blah, blah 1, mode 2. Looks like, what are these presets? Modes? We got modes here. I don't know. I was thinking modes. Looks like it's changed the background. There we go. Okay. So modes change the background. Looks like you can subtly change the background from white to a little darker. Okay, we're gonna stay at white. All right, let's go to the printer again. And let's see if it prints. Okay, I have a piece of spirit paper here. I'm gonna give this thing a try. So first I'm just gonna take out that middle guy. Don't need that guy. Now we're gonna take the yellow side off. For this printer, you want the white side up when you feed it in. We're going to open the printer. Press the feed button after it's closed. And it comes right to the edge, which I really, really like. Okay, so now we're going back to the app. I have a recent project I'm going to try printing. So I have higher density on, let's try it. There's the printer icon right here in the corner. Let's see how long it takes. Oh wow, super fast. Okay, I'm just gonna open this. Oh, actually you don't even have to open it. It came right out. Okay. All right, yes, so my density is all the way up on that one. I might want to turn it down a little bit, but I did just want to make sure I gave it my all on the first one. Let me just try turning the density down and print again. All right, that one was pretty dark. I'm going to the lower density. That's going to be the lowest amount of density. I just want to make sure it can print something this detailed. It looks a little light. We're somewhere in between. That's better than knowing if we were not able to get lighter. So we can get lighter and we can get darker is what I've seen. So I'm guessing that medium setting is calibrated pretty well and it should be the right setting. Unfortunately, that is my last piece of spirit paper. Let me try a different piece of paper though that I have. All right, I'm gonna try on this middle setting. It is different paper now, so it might have a slightly different effect, but hopefully this will be the winner. Ooh, I timed it well. Ooh, that one looks pretty good. All right, for this particular piece, the middle setting did work beautifully. So that was actually a really good demonstration of how you can calibrate this machine to suit the piece. So if it looks too dark or looks too light, hopefully you'll be able to adjust it a little bit. And it does look like the light, medium, and dark settings make sense, which I love. This thing is actually really intuitive for the money and it's working really, really well. The delay time is short. I like that a lot. I can't tell you how annoying it is to stand at the printer waiting for it to print. So I do like the fast response time. That is all wireless, by the way, and you can connect it to your phone or your iPad. I'm using an iPad, but it can be connected to your phone as well. It can be connected to your computer, and if you're old school, it's got the cord. So don't worry, you're covered. You're covered. So it seems like the ATS886 is working really well as a thermal printer. It's super compact and it comes in under $200. You can get it at yilongtattooing.com or Amazon. Don't forget to find a link in the description below and smash that like button and subscribe. Bye guys.
Thank you. Bye.